Hello class. Today we are going to go over the digestive system. This is very complicated system, okay? So listen closely, okay? Now the digestive system.
Whoa.
This takes a lot of time and energy. No. You know it does.
This ain't a thing.
This does take a lot of time and energy. You tell me so.
I'll tell you how. You listen carefully.
Okay, I guess so.
So we're gonna talk about the digestive system. And to get through it, you just gotta break this shit down. Just like the digestive system, you gotta break it down. So you start with the mouth, that's where it's at. Take your food, chew it around, give it a smack with your tongue. It don't matter. It's a bolus, gotta masticate it. Gotta make it move down to your stomach by peristalsis moving in your esophagus. Doesn't take much, it's involuntary. By the parasympathetic nervous, you see. So it goes down to the stomach. You got distension, it's gonna cause a lot of wrenching. But it's scientifically known as peristalsis movement in the antrum. That's what we gotta talk about. Gotta talk about the hormones. Get this done. So, number one is gastrin. Gastrin is secreted by G cells. You see, number two, that's important for you, is parietal cells. What do? Parietal cells secrete HCl. That's hydrochloric acid. For y'all don't know what the hell is going on, you better listen closely to this song. Number three, important for me, we got the chief cells, you see, and chief cells secrete pepsinogen, cause it's gonna take the protein and denature it, gonna uncoil it, unzip, we're gonna denature it to amino acids, see kids, so it's not too difficult, you see, you gotta follow the process carefully. Now I might mention this, that HCl secretes a lot of GATA acid in your stomach, move it around, gotta activate pepsinogen and move that protein down, gonna get pepsinogen from HCl, gonna move it around, we're gonna give that food hell, cause it's now referred to as chyme, no longer a bolus cause it's in the stomach, listen carefully cause it's getting a little tricky here, we gotta move it through the sphincter into your duodenum, it's part of your small intestine, give it time, it'll come in your head, don't give it till it's dead, but you gotta listen carefully, here we go. Verse number 2 for all to see. So, the duodenum mucosa will secrete your hormones for ya. The hormones are what? Oh my god, they're CCK and another one secretin. That's okay. So then, those hormones will go through the blood. They'll go to the liver, gonna do a little things for us. Number one, gonna make bile, gonna put it in the gallbladder. There's no denial. Then you got CCK, gonna activate that shit, gonna move it down to the small intestine to emulsify the fat. You gotta show that fat what's that, gotta get those globulins, turn them into small mucosal cells. That's what we gotta do, give it hell, cause there's still protein left. We got the fat to be absorbed back by the lymph ducts, but we got protein to be broken down. It's gonna be broken down by epithelial cells, and within them border brush. The border brush will activate these for you, and then you will not have too much protein in the form of a big molecule. You will have little amino acids going back to your liver to be delivered and give you all the things you need to create proteins and everything you need, because the liver will detoxicate for you. It's so damn important to keep that shit. Okay, so the song is emptying, gotta talk about a mass movement, my friends, because the mass movement is not the least important. You got a lot of water reabsorption. Don't forget the NaCl, gotta move that back to the body to create electrical gates. Gonna have a mass movement, and that's it, okay?